Have you ever seen something that needed to be done and decided to do it, without anyone asking you? That's called taking initiative. Let's dive into today's word. Initiative. Can you say it with me? Initiative. Let's spell it together. Ready? I-N-I-T-I-A-T-I-V-E. That spells initiative. Initiative means the ability to start something without being told. It's what helps leaders take action and make things happen. Here are some words that mean the same as initiative. Say them with me. Drive, like having the energy to get things done. Enterprise, like seeing a need and creating a solution. Ambition, like setting goals and working toward them with excitement. Leadership, like guiding others by setting a strong example. Action, like stepping up and doing what needs to be done. Each of these words shows how initiative helps you take charge and make a difference. Now let's look at the opposites of initiative. Passivity, like waiting for someone else to act. Laziness, like not wanting to get started at all. Hesitation, like holding back when it's your turn to try. Apathy, like not caring about what happens. Dependence, like always waiting for instructions instead of deciding for yourself. That's what happens when we don't take initiative. Here's a great example. Sofia took initiative by organizing the class fundraiser and making colorful posters. Let's review. Initiative means the ability to start something without being told. Synonyms include drive, enterprise, ambition, leadership, action. Antonyms include passivity, laziness, hesitation, apathy, dependence. Taking initiative shows leadership. You can start something amazing. Taking initiative shows leadership. You can start something amazing. Every big accomplishment begins with one small step. Your initiative can inspire others. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.